Kumusta uli mga ka-reading dyan? Ito isa na namang reaction video sa ating paboritong number one cover band ng Pilipinas, ang Franz Rhythm. At ang aawitin nila ay ang kanta ng Fleetwood Mac na Dreams. Ang kantang to ay ang kumanta nito ay ang vocalist nilang si Stevie Nicks. Siya din ang sumulat ng kantang to. At na-release noong 1977. Nag-number 1 daw sa Canada to eh. Ang kantang to. Nag-number 1 din sa US. Hot 100. Okay, pakinggan natin kung paano na naman gagayahin ng mga paborito nating musicians. Lalo na yung nasa gitna. Yan ang pinaka-paborito kong musician. Instrumento na naman. I keep my visions to myself. Stevie Nicks talaga. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams. Have you any dreams you like to sell? Dreams of loneliness like a heartbeat drives you mad, and it still is a remembering of what you had, of what you love, of what you had, oh, what you love. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. When they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say when they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. Galing mo, Char.
You know.
Chen Sumigunda.
You will know.
Galing ni bass guitarist. Daddy. Ang galing din ni Toads. Yun na. Galing. Galing.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Galing talaga ng bandang, ang paborito nating bandang Franz Rhythm. Magaling
Friends
talaga.
Rhythm Channel. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Galing. Galing talaga. Ah, kayang-kaya din ni Chelsea Stevie Nicks. Galing talaga manggaya ng kanta to. Matang to. Okay po. Marami pong salamat sa mga nanonood din sa video ko. Yung mga nanonood sa Friends Rhythm, tapos nanonood sa video ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, subscribe naman kayo. Okay po. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Sa reaction video ko. Bye-bye muna. Ngayon.